Hi, this is Larry, and this is my Honda Stepwagon. And I want to show you how I made the table. It was actually quite easy. The main thing you need is this bracket right here. And this bracket is designed for RVs, and it's actually really solidly in. Now, this made of stainless steel, so two of them are 20 bucks. And if I were to do this again, I only used one. I put it slightly off-centered so I could get a little better room, but if I'd done it again, I would have used two, but I was saving one for my Mazda Bongo. But I might go back and add two because it makes the table so much more stable. It's stable enough, but anyway. But this is brackets, the main thing. I found it on Amazon. I think it's an art. I'll put a link to it on the description, video description. And then this is the part that it goes into, and you can see it's like slightly angled out. So when you put the table in, the table has to be down, and then you put it in up like that. And I don't think I can demonstrate it for you because I can't hold the camera and put the table in at the same time. And then the other part was so you really need folding legs. If you use regular legs, you can't bend the table down. So you have to have folding legs. So what I did is I just bought the folding leg brackets. Two of them were 10 bucks or 12 bucks. And then I just went and got some fence posting like at Home Depot, and it locks in place, and then you push the button and it comes down. And so that makes it easy to transport the table. Now, originally I was going to go with a much smaller table. I actually got this from Ikea. The color matched, and then the size is good for 4 people. Originally I was going to go with I think it's 14 inches wide by, I think it's 42 or 48 inches. It's almost 4 feet long, and like 2 feet. Maybe it's 15 inches wide. Originally I was going to go with 12 or even a 12 by like 2 feet. It was just going to stick out a little bit. But this, since I'm not going to use it when driving, this was, I think, a better option. Okay, I'm going to show you. I don't think I can show you while I'm holding this camera, but I'll try to give you an idea. But basically, you have to keep the table down at an angle, and then this will slot in. I can maybe show you how that slots in there. There you go, slots in. Oh, one thing I should mention, you can see how that goes in. I checked behind here, this actually comes out. This is made of plastic, and there's actually like a plastic I-beam in the middle. And so it's really secure. It really digs in there. You don't have to worry about hitting the back of or hitting the side of the car. Just one thing, the I-beam goes down the middle, and so you want to make sure it's like right in the middle so you don't hit that little plastic I-beam. Also, you don't want to screw in by the seatbelt over here. So ideally, if I do it again, or if I redo it, I would put one here and another one here, and that way 2 brackets will make it much more stable, especially if you're planning to use it while driving, which I don't recommend. Anyway, I'll go set it up, and then I'll show you what it looks like. Okay, you can see I have it set up. That bracket's in, and then you can see the folding table here. And the tabletop matches really well, this color. And then it's quite stable. I mean, it's not perfect. And that's why you can see it moves a little bit here. And that's why 2 brackets would have been better. But it's still good enough. Lots of space. Easy enough for 4 people to sit here and eat. Or even 5 or 6. You could probably get 3 and 3 if it's kids. So, but yeah, really comfortable. The kids loved it. They want me to have it out all the time, but I don't want to decapitate them if they got into an accident. Yeah, and it comes apart, so it's really easy. It stores right in the back. So, highly recommended. I hope that helps. Thanks for watching.